Continuing the discussion of SAE J3016 myths, it is a myth that Level 3 always provides 10 seconds of delay time for a human driver to take over. The standard does not say 10 seconds anywhere. It says at least several seconds, but that might be 3 seconds. There's also 0 warning time for an evident vehicle failure. So if you have a tire blowout, there may be 0 delay and warning, and the vehicle may insist that you take over immediately, even though the ADS does not tell you anything's wrong. There's also no requirement to maintain safety if the driver does not take over. If you have a system that says, well, we want you to take over, but if you do not take over, we will still guarantee to bring you to a safe stop. That is not a Level 3 system. That's actually a Level 4 system by 3016 definition. Another myth is that Level 3 means eyes off-road. Eyes off-road for Level 3 was commonly stated for a while, but the standard does not say that anywhere. Moreover, even though the ADS at Level 3 does the whole dynamic driving task, the driver still needs situational awareness to handle vehicle failures. I would not want to be a driver who's engrossed in a movie not paying attention and then has to instantly take control of the vehicle, maneuver in traffic, and do the right thing if the tire blows out and your only notice is the thump from the tire blowing out.